City. Bobby Lewis here with the Lewis team at 3085 Dogwood. And before we walk around, why don't we go take a look at the drone around? It's up there somewhere. Welcome to 3085 Dogwood, and I'm going to take you around the exterior of the house to start here. I know you just saw it from the drone, but this house is immaculate. Folks bought this several years ago and have done everything: roof, AC, beautiful concrete, all new sunshades. We'll look at all. Look at this huge RV port. I'll walk you back there in just a moment. And I don't know if you'll see it in the 360 camera, but I'm sure you'll see it in the drone. The lake view is incredible from the front yard. Really nice, actually. New windows. They have cameras, as you can hear right there. Here's these sunshades, all first class, really, really nice. The house has been fully painted in the last several years. There's RV parking on both sides, as you can see, this new concrete. And it's just an immaculate condition. We'll walk around the back here before we go inside. Look at this huge covered patio area. And very quiet up here in Dogwood, as you can tell. No one's been by. Really, the only reason you'd be up here is because you live up here. And extra high RV port. And it's on the north side of the house, basically, here. So you're going to have lots of shade, as you can tell, when you park your toys over here. And they do have their camper back here. And that's a newer high efficiency air conditioning. You can see the quality. They spent extra money on the roof. Really nice, like palapa type of outdoor living, and you see all the sunshades being in excellent shape. Beautiful stamped concrete, and the view, I didn't even notice, so we're doing this video right here. That's a drop dead gorgeous lake view. Chemehuevi Mountains and Havasu Landing on the other side of the lake. Just a terrific property. Now let's go look inside. They are moving, so when we go and look inside, you can see the evidence that they are in the process of moving. Beautiful. The Mojave Mountains behind here too. Beautiful view that way as well. And I'll take a moment while we're walking up here. If you have a home in Havasu and are interested in selling or just would like to find out what it's worth, reach out to me and Julie anytime. I'll have a link down in the comments. You can just put your address in or you can call us. We'll do a full report with neighborhood comps and send you the report right away. Well, let's go take a look inside. Really nice kind of great room living area here. You'll notice things like all the blinds are new, high quality cellular type shades as well. Some LED lighting. The kitchen, they are packing, so pardon our little bit of a mess, but beautiful solid surface. Looks like quartz or stone cabinetry, nice backsplash, modern appliances, more LED lighting, and there's their kitty. Well, we'll look at bedroom, or master bedroom, I'm sorry, this way. It has French doors out to the back. Good size master bedroom. And they are packing, but walk-in closet. Everything's immaculate. Like the double sink vanity. You can see the flooring, beautiful, newer carpet. Indoor laundry. We'll step out to the garage and then we'll see the other end of the house. Have the garage door insulated, and you can just tell, even the way they're packing, everything is in immaculate condition. A good size 2-car garage, and of course you have that RV port on the side. And just like a little second here to look at beautiful wood doors, paneled wood doors throughout. And here we go with the second end of the home. Your hall, bathroom, fully tiled shower tub. It's almost like new. And I guess you call it bedroom 2 or the office. Another walk-in closet here. And bedroom 3, again another walk-in closet. And we'll look at the covered patio in back to finish this tour off for you. And sunshades are down, but fantastic mountain view from this covered patio. And a little final storage shed here as well. Everything's well thought out. So you have some covered storage here. Well, this is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team, Coldwell Banker Realty, Julie and I, and our team, Julie Pouget as well. We'd love to show you this home or any other home in Lake Havasu. We hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll show you a little more from above.